Hi. Today we will show you how to rename PDF using PDF.co and Zapier. We will use this sample PDF in this demo. To begin, let's start by creating a Zap. Next, select the Google Drive app. Then, choose the new file and folder as a trigger. Let's set up the trigger. For the Drive field, select My Google Drive. In the Folder field, enter the specific folder where your file is located. After setting up, let's test the trigger. Great. Our test was successful. We can now move on to another step. Now, let's add another app and select the PDF.co app. Then, choose the PDF filler to rename the PDF. Let's set up the PDF filler action. In the Source PDF field, select the web content link on the search bar to automatically get the URL of your file in Google Drive. In the Text Objects field, input the 0:0:0. We will add this dummy data in the PDF to rename the text. For the output PDF name, type the new name of your PDF. After setting up the PDF filler action, click the Test and Review button. Excellent. The PDF.co processed our request successfully. You can use the generated URL to view the result. Here's the output that we successfully rename. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.